morning, and welcome to the Subaru National Parks experience. We're paying tribute by bringing the sights and sounds of America's most iconic national parks right here to New York.
Our partnership with the U.S. National Park Service is a direct result of our worldwide vision.
Now, it is in this spirit that we are super excited to preview our all-new 2020 Subaru Outback. This all-new 2020 Outback is our most adventurous, most reliable, most technologically advanced, and safest Outback ever. With go-anywhere features that include standard all-wheel drive, a completely redesigned, luxurious interior, has one of the most technologically advanced infotainment systems. This new 2020 Outback is designed to safely and confidently take you down the road and off the road as well. An ideal way to find your park or go anywhere or everywhere adventure takes you.